Hello guys, what's up? Adrian here from AppSeed. In this short video I will present the latest tutorial published on our documentation. It's published today. So to access it, just go to documentation URL and search for this. This tutorial it's called Django for Beginners. It's a super lightweight introduction to Django, web framework for beginners. The article covers only the basics, like install Python, manage dependencies, install a code editor. We suggest here to use VS Code, but you can also use Vim or Atom. It's your choice. We present a few commands to build the Django project from scratch. You don't need any other experience or something, just to be comfortable to type a few commands into the terminal. Once the application is up and running and we see the default Django page in the browser, we will extend this default core with new application using of course the Django CLI to build an app. Also is provided code to manage our first root, the configuration part, the part where we need to update the global settings in our Django application. Here is the first page, which is not the default one, before adding our new code. Once this section is fully understood, we move forward to create a new model. We create a super lightweight table called book. So that manages title, author, and the publication date. The code is super simple. Beginners should be comfortable to understand it. All the commands are here to update the database, to use the new model once all the code is up and running and the application is updated. We can use the model using the CLI. We have the possibility to add the records, to delete, to update the existing information. Once we finish this section, the last section presented in this short introduction to Django is to how to use the admin section. For newcomers, Django comes with a lot of things by default, and also the administration module is provided without any effort from us as developers. So to access the administration and the admin section, we need to create a super user, of course, to provide the credentials. And once we access the administration module, we should see the default tables registered. We can create users, we can update the existing users, and so on. To make the article more useful, the last part of this simple tutorial is to register our book model to be visible and manageable in the Django administration module. So all the code is here. Let us know if is something that we should add. Of course, we provide more Django starters here. Many starters are open source. You can use it in your development, like this one. It's looks super good. You can use it in your project, no costs. The license is super permissive. In case any of you need support, we are 24/7 on Discord, and let us know how can we improve the documentation, also our products. Thanks for watching. Let us know your thoughts in the comments. Thank you and have a super nice day.